Hi students, welcome back to the biology online YouTube class. In previous video, we discussed about cell organelles. In that, about mitochondria. It is also called as powerhouse of the cell as it prepares synthesis ATP, adenotriphosphate molecule. It is energy molecule. In this video, let us discuss one more cell component, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Network of tubular and flat vesicular structures in the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum looks like network of tubular and flat vesicular structures. An extensive network of closed flattened membrane bounded sacs called cisternae. In this we can observe a network of closed and flattened membrane and which is bounded with the sacs, and it is called as a cisternae. Space inside the tubules is filled with endoplasmic matrix. The space present inside the tubules filled with the matrix called as the endoplasmic matrix. Here important is cisternae word. What is cisternae? Or write a short note on cisternae. It is an extensive network of closed flattened membrane bounded sacs called cisternae. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. It is also called as ER, short form ER, endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types. First one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and second one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Let us discuss both by comparing each other. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent, but in rough endoplasmic reticulum, we can see the ribosomes. In smooth ER, sites of synthesis of lipid and steroid hormones. They synthesis lipids and steroid hormones. But rough endoplasmic reticulum, they synthesis proteins and processing and packaging of the protein. So this is the main difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth ER mainly present in lipid forming cells such as adipocytes, interstitial cells of testes, glycogen storing cells of liver, adrenal cortex cells, muscle cells, and leukocytes, etc. So wherever lipid formation takes place, in such area we can see the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly present in protein forming cells such as pancreatic acinar cells, goblet cells, antibody producing plasma cells, Nessels granules of nerve cells, etc. It means rough ER present in the place wherever protein forming cells are present. The main difference is ribosome is absent and present, and synthesis, what they synthesis, lipid or steroids or protein. By depending on this, we have two types of endoplasmic reticulum. They are smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is also important for exam. Write the differences between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next, what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? What is the use? Endoplasmic reticulum, they synthesis proteins. So it is also called as protein factory. Endoplasmic reticulum is also called as protein factory because it synthesis proteins. It helps for the protein segregation also. It helps for the protein segregation also. Third point, unsaturation of fatty acids. Endoplasmic reticulum helps for the unsaturation of fatty acids. Fourth point, muscular contraction. Endoplasmic reticulum is commonly known as sarcoplasmic reticulum in muscle fibers because it helps for the muscle contraction. So these are the four main functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Next, one more important component, that is Golgi bodies. It is a collection of membrane enclosed sacs composed of four or more stalked layers of thin, flat, enclosed vessels lying near the sides of the nucleus. So they are the collection of collection of membrane enclosed sacs, and they composed of four or more stalked layers of thin, flat, enclosed vessels lying. They are present near the sides of the nucleus. They consist of multiple discrete compartments. They consist of four functionally distinct regions. Let us see one by one. First one, the cis Golgi network. Second one, Golgi stalk, and it is again divided into the medial and trans subcompartments. Third one, the trans Golgi network. Let us see the function of Golgi apparatus. The wrapping and packaging department of the cell. Its main duty is wrapping and packaging of the function. Next, second point, it produces secretion granules. It produces the secretional granules, that is membrane enclosed complexes which store hormones and enzymes in the protein secreting cells. It packages proteins. Third point, it is a site of formation of lysosomes. It is a site of formation of lysosome, that is large irregular structures surrounded by membrane which are present in the cytoplasm. Last point, it adds certain carbohydrates to form glycoproteins which play an important role in the association of the cells to form tissues. For the formation of tissues, it adds certain carbohydrates to form glycoproteins and which play an important role in the association of the cells to form tissues. It means it helps for the formation of tissues. So these are the functions of Golgi bodies. Next, one more important component, that is lysosomes. These are the irregular structures surrounded by the unit membrane. They are irregular in structure and it is surrounded by the unit membrane. More acidic than rest of the cytoplasm. When compared to the cytoplasm, it is more acidic and external bacteria as well as warm out cell components are digested in them. So lysosome helps for the digestion of external bacteria as well as the internal cell which is not functioning properly. It helps for the digestion of cell components. The interior region is acidic by the action of proton pump or H plus or ATPase. So internal part is very acidic. Lysosomes are cell hydrolyzers and they function best at the acidic pH. Lysosomes are also called as suicide bag of cell. Why it is called as suicide bag of cell? As I mentioned in the point number 2, they are acidic when compared to the other regions of the cytoplasm, so that they digest the whole cell or components of the cell which is not working properly, or it also helps for the digestion of damaged cells. So this is the reason it is also called as suicide bag of cell. Let us see the function of lysosome. It acts as a form of digestive system or the cell because enzymes present in it can digest full cell. The enzymes present in the lysosome helps for the digestion of component of the cell or full cell. It engulfs warm out components of the cells in which they are located. It engulfs exogenous substances, example bacteria, and degrade them. It helps for the digestion of bacteria too. When a cell dies, lysosome enzymes causes autolysis of the remnant, means it helps for the digestion of whole cell. So this is the reason they are also called as suicide bags or suicide bag of cells. So these are the functions of lysosome. Next component, that is peroxisomes. A lipid bilayer membrane surrounds which regulates what enters or exits the peroxisomes. Peroxisome consists of two membrane layers of lipid, which is made up of lipid, and which regulates what to enter and what to exit from the peroxisomes. They consist of urate oxidase crystalline core. So they consist of crystalline structure. The structure of peroxisome is similar to that of the lysosome but with a different composition. Peroxisomes can be formed by the budding of ER or by division. The budding of endoplasmic reticulum or division of endoplasmic reticulum gives rise in the peroxisomes. So this is the structure of peroxisome. They contain oxidases that produces water. They catalyze the degrades hydrogen peroxides to yield water and oxygen. Proteins are directed to peroxisomes by a unique signal sequence with the help of protein peroxines. It means they help for the protein synthesis also. Let us discuss the function of peroxisomes. They help for H2O2 metabolism and detoxification. They help in the photorespiration in plants. Biosynthesis of lipid takes place by the help of peroxisomes. Cholesterol and dolichol are synthesized in animals. Synthesis of bile acids in liver is because of peroxisomes. These are the main functions of the peroxisomes. So this much is enough in this video. Let us discuss some more components of the cell in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.